Looking to choose the best email marketing software for beginners? If you're torn between Drip and Constant Contact, you're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into both platforms and comparing which one is truly more beginner-friendly. Stick around to find out which one suits you best and which software you might want to avoid. Let's start with the basics, Drip. It's known for its robust automation features, which are awesome for advanced marketers, but might overwhelm a beginner. The interface is clean, but there's a bit of a learning curve to fully take advantage of its powerful tools. Drip offers solid segmentation and personalization, but you'll need to spend some time getting the hang of it. If you're someone who likes to dig deep and create detailed, automated workflows, Drip could be a great fit. But if you're just starting out and want something easy to use, it might not be the best choice right away. Next thing, let's look at Constant Contact. This one's been around for a long time and is widely recognized for being user-friendly, especially for beginners. Constant Contact offers an intuitive drag-and-drop email editor, and setting up email campaigns is straightforward. It's got pre-built templates and automation features that are simple to use. However, while it's great for people just starting out, it can feel a bit too basic once you're ready to scale and dive deeper into email marketing strategies. The third thing to consider is support. Both Drip and Constant Contact offer customer support, but Constant Contact has a clear edge here. They offer phone support, which is something Drip lacks. As a beginner, knowing you can pick up the phone and get help could make all the difference, especially when you're still finding your footing. Now, let's talk pricing. Drip tends to be more expensive, especially as your list grows. If you're just starting out and on a tight budget, Constant Contact offers more affordable plans for smaller email lists. Plus, you don't have to worry about hidden fees with Constant Contact, which is a common frustration with Drip, where pricing can change as you scale your email list. Constant Contact's pricing is more predictable and beginner-friendly in that regard. The fifth thing to note is the learning curve. As I mentioned, Drip is powerful, but it requires time and effort to master its more complex tools. For someone just starting out, the sheer number of options and features might be intimidating. Constant Contact, on the other hand, is a lot more approachable. It's designed with simplicity in mind, and beginners will likely feel more comfortable experimenting and learning as they go. The final thing to keep in mind is integrations. Drip offers more advanced integrations with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Magento, which is great if you're running an online store. Constant Contact does offer integrations too, but they tend to be more basic and might not support the level of customization that you get with Drip. So, if you're running a business with complex needs, Drip may be a better fit in this department. So, what's the bottom line? Both Drip and Constant Contact have their strengths, but here's the thing, if you're a beginner looking for something simple to use and something that won't overwhelm you, Constant Contact is the more user-friendly option. It's easy to get started with, and you can begin sending professional-looking emails in no time. But after trying both of these platforms myself, I've found that there's an even better alternative out there for those looking to get the most out of their email marketing with a smoother learning curve and better results in the long run. If you're interested in a better option that's even more beginner-friendly, head to the first link in the description for a free trial with exclusive benefits that you can't get anywhere else. Trust me, you won't want to miss this.